Okay, this is a quick video that talks about how to install Python modules. A lot of times if it's a commonly used module, if you're the system administrator of the machine, you will install it for all users to access, or ask the system administrator to install it for all users to access. But if for some reason that can't happen and you would still like to use a module, you can actually install it for your use. So I'm going to show you how you do that. It's a super easy process. So here I am logged into the UNIX machine that I'm using. I'm at the command prompt and I want to make use of a Roman numeral module called Roman. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into interactive Python on this machine, and then I know the name of the module is Roman, so I'm going to say import Roman. And when I do that and hit return, if I could spell correctly, it's going to tell me that module's not found. And the reason is that module is not installed on this machine. It's not in a system directory so everybody can use it, and it's not in my account so I can use it. So what I'm going to go out and do is I'm going to use the pip program, which is an installer command for installing Python modules. So on my machine it's pip 3.11 to get the most recent version. Probably a little more common for it to just be pip 3, or if you're using an older version of Python, Python 2, it may simply just be the command pip by itself. But I issue the pip command, and the first option is install, and the second option is the name of the module I would like to install, in this case Roman. So I go through and do that, and it'll go through and download the process and install Roman. Notice it says it's successfully installed, and then it is giving me a notice. It's complaining that my version of pip 3 is a little bit out of date, and it's telling me how I could update that. So updating pip like that is most likely going to be something that a system administrator would do, or you would be doing on your own machine. So that was super quick, super easy. If I jump back into Python interactively, and now if I say import Roman, notice that I simply get the prompt back, which means it located and loaded in the Roman module. So that's showing you really quickly how you can load a Python module for your own use. In my case, on this UNIX machine, under my home directory, it put all the files and directories in a subdirectory called .local. So that's where it installed it, and that's one of the places that Python on UNIX will look for modules.